Back on my floor again with another question about touchscreen or iPads or display tablets and basically using them for creating comics. So let's get right into this question. So the question was, is it possible to create a comic on the iPad? And the answer is yes. As long as you got your Apple Pen, and an art app, then you can definitely draw your Webtoon right on your comic. Wow, your Webtoon right on your tablet. So let me show you what program you can use, or what program I have the majority of my experience with when it comes to drawing on the iPad Pro. Give me 1 second while I pull it up. I don't want y'all seeing my passcode, you sneaky. Alrighty, so the app that I use to do my illustrations, and then also you can also do webtoons or webcomics, is called Metabong. It's a free app. You're just going to go to New Canvas, and this right here, they have 2 different settings, the standard and the comic template. I'm using the free app also, so that's why you're going to see ads. But anyways, if you click the standard, you can just do one canvas type of setup, so you can draw pictures. Let me go ahead and show you instead of just like explaining it. Let me click done. Boom. So as you can see, it's just a basic standard little page. Woo. Pretend that's a comic. Now, they also have, no, I don't want to save it. They also, no, it's a free app, so ads are going to pop up. But they also, this is the 3rd time I done said that, have a comic template to where, so I digress. So they have a standard option, and then they have the comic template option, which is just going to help you set up your files. I don't know if you can see that, but there are guides. Can you see that with my phone? There, I should have just did a screen record on my iPad. Why am I using my phone to record the screen? Either way. But as you can see, it sets up the guides and all that for your panels. They also have really cool, They also have really cool like panel features right there. So you can create your own panels as well, or it'll set up a panel for you. It also has like a slicing panel too, but we're not going to get into that. So basically, if you want to create a comic on the iPad, it is definitely doable. You just need your iPad pen. You can use any free app. I like to use Metabong. There is also a specific comic app. Let me show that to you real quick. Alrighty, here is Metabong. They also have a specific comic app or manga app. Specifically for just drawing manga, and it's free as well. You can use it on all of these platforms. So this is also another app that you can look into. They have plenty of other. There's Krita. I don't know how to say it, but I'm just to answer this question simply, you can make comics on the iPad, use Metabong Paint, or whatever other free app you want to use. I suggest Metabong Paint or Jump Paint, and get to drawing. So hopefully that answers the question as clear as possible. So if you want to like hear more of my simple answers to simple random questions online, not random questions, because it's going to be questions about like webtoon creation, using tablets and whatnot, then make sure you're subscribed. That's all for now. I will talk to you guys again later. Bye.